Hey, I'm Peter. We're here with Tenba and Shimoda at the Bild show, New York. We got a lot of new products we're showing off here today. First, we got from our Solstice collection, we got the 16-liter sling bag. It's pretty nice because, well, it weighs about a pound, and it fits a Sony 200 to 600 millimeter lens on a body, or a Nikon 180-6 or a Canon 2-8, all in a really lightweight sling bag. So you can go out birding with a long lens and a body and a tripod in a really, really small, sleek bag. And then in our Axis collection, our tactical series, we got the Axis 24-liter, which is our best-selling bag in 50 countries. So it fits a 16-inch laptop and two bodies loaded with long lenses if you want them, 70 to 200, 100 to 400. And it fits under the seat of an airplane, and it meets all the international carry-on requirements. And we make Axis bags in all different sizes and sling bags and everything else. We got our BYOB inserts, which is if you got a bag that you already like, you can get one of these and just put this inside of another bag. And when you take it out of that bag, then it has its own shoulder strap, so you can carry it as its own little shoulder bag. And then we have our Solstice backpacks, which are our big rear access backpacks. You could fit 2 to 3 bodies in here with a super long 600 millimeter zoom lens attached. You can swing it around your body and actually hang the bag off of your body and access everything without even putting the bag on the ground. And then the other thing it has is this super quick top access, so that you can pull the camera out even with a really long lens through the top of the bag. So it can take up a really small footprint, and they're super lightweight, and they're great for international travel because they meet strict carry-on requirements, and they still fit under the seat of an airplane. And then lastly, we got our Fulton series here, which is our roll top travel bag. Again, really lightweight, weighs about 1.5 pounds. And you can fit a tablet or a laptop on the front. We make it in 3 sizes. And then the equipment access is all through the back here. So if you're traveling in a foreign city and you don't know if it's safe or not, well, nobody can get at your camera gear. Nothing through the top, nothing through the side, so everything's just through the rear access. And all of our bags have a water bottle pocket so you can stay hydrated. And they all have a spot for a tripod. And they all have a trolley strap that can go over the handle of your rolling luggage. So wherever you're traveling, they're fit for the day. And that's pretty much it. We got a lot of stuff to check out here at the Bild show. Thanks.